guys, this week in our home link pack we're going to make bird feeders. So first thing we've got is the big garden bird watch, which tells you all the different birds that might be in your garden and you've got to tick off. Then you've got a fir cone, a bag of seeds. In the foil you'll have some lard and some string. First is the fiddly bit, which you might need your mum's. We need to put the string round the bottom end of the fir cone. So push it through the seed heads. Tie it tight. Hang on, I've got to do 2 knots. So there's 1 knot. There's 2 knots. Tie it on the end so when you hang it outside it won't fall off, so you've got a loop. Then, this is the messy bit. You get your lard with your fingers and push it all into the edges or into the slots. Push it all in, it's really sticky. All the way round. Make sure the string doesn't get caught. Auntie Libby's getting really mucky. It's too much lard this time. Right, keep going. Oh, got a bit of foil in that. We don't need that. Put that in, that bit in there. Right. So it's nearly a white cone with all the lard. Right, I think we're there. Then tip your seeds onto your foil or onto a plate or a tray and just roll your cone round and round in the seeds. There we go. You might want to push it on. So there's your fir cone ready for the big garden bird watch. Looking at it. There we go. Hope you have fun.